Hey leaders, Daniel Lee from First Time Leadership here. I just finished a class on crisis leadership. It's one of the small topics that I do on leadership. And as you can see, there's a bit of a framework here, right? A couple of steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to just share with you the takeaway that I shared with my participants. Basically, when you're trying to lead through a crisis, one of the things that you need to have is you got to have a plan, right? Do you have a plan that can lead your team through the crisis? The second thing that you want to think about is, have you communicated the plan to the people who are involved, right? Communication is really key because then they know what they need to do, how they can execute, and that they must stick to the plan. And the third thing is when something happens, be prepared to adapt. Because you never know how a situation unfolds, but your job is to be able to lead the team and be nimble and adaptable as the situation unfolds while you try to ensure that you're following the plan.